welcome guys, welcome to my video guys. I'm gonna do an unboxing guys. I received a package today from AG Born Jamaican. Yeah, so we gonna pull this package today and look what's inside it from AJ Born Jamaica. Thank you. AJ Born Jamaican, thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna see what's inside now, guys. Look. Ooh. Open. Ooh. Open, guys. We are opening. We are gonna see what's inside this box. Oh, look, guys. Woo! Guys, look. What's inside this box? Woo! Mangoes. Woo! Mangoes. Whoa. Mangoes. Ooh, guys. Look, guys. Thank you, AG. And I got some guineps. And I think I have more stuff, more mango at the bottom. I'm not going to take out the guineps. I'll have mangoes again. I have mangoes. And I have these stuffs. Well, the pranga nuts and stuff. Yeah. And in this box is guinep, guys. Guinep. Wow. Thank you, AG. Thank you. Look, AG. AG, this one's sweet. Look at this one, guys. It's sweet. Yeah. This one's sweet. I love this mango. This mango is sweet. This mango is so sweet, yo. I mean to tell you, when I'm eating mango, when I'm eating mango, I eat the skin white. AG, this mango is sweet.